Ever wondered how millions of eggs make it from chickens to your kitchen without a single crack? Inside this modern egg factory, robots and conveyor belts do what once took hundreds of hands, faster, safer, and smarter. Let's crack open the secrets behind industrial egg harvesting. The journey starts in climate-controlled barns designed to mimic natural conditions. Laying hens are housed in colony cages or aviary systems, depending on regional regulations and welfare standards. Each hen gets access to clean water, feed lines, and perches, and the lighting system is tuned to match natural daylight hours, stimulating optimal egg production. These chickens are layer breeds, typically white leghorns or Isa browns, selected for their high yield, laying nearly 300 to 320 eggs per year. Each barn can house up to 100,000 birds, with some mega farms managing over 1 million hens across multiple sheds. Automated manure conveyor belts beneath each row of hens regularly remove waste using durable, corrosion-resistant materials. These belts transport manure to central collection systems where it's processed into fertilizer or biofuel. A laying hen usually releases an egg every 25 to 27 hours. As soon as an egg is laid, it gently rolls down onto a sloped wire mesh floor and lands onto a collection belt. This minimizes the chances of breakage or contamination. The belt runs the length of the entire barn, collecting eggs row by row. The belts operate at specific intervals to prevent pile-ups and damage, funneling all eggs towards a central collection point. Feeding is fully automated. A conveyor system delivers a specially formulated high-protein feed mix to each hen multiple times a day. The feed composition is tailored to support strong eggshells and consistent laying cycles. Clean water flows through nipple drinkers, ensuring hygiene and minimal waste. Vets and technicians monitor bird health using smart sensors that track feed intake, movement, and even stress levels, while automated manure belts remove waste beneath the cages every few hours, keeping the air clean and reducing ammonia buildup. Fun fact: chickens have a pecking order. Farms use red lighting and beak-friendly diets to reduce aggressive behavior. Tens of thousands of eggs begin their journey the moment they're laid, gently rolling onto individual collection belts that run through each row of cages. These belts all converge into a centralized conveyor system, forming a well-coordinated network that funnels eggs from every corner of the barn toward a single main belt. This unified belt, often extending hundreds of feet, carries the continuous stream of eggs out of the housing area and into the cleaning and sorting facility. The transition is seamless, with carefully calibrated speeds and soft bumpers to prevent collisions or cracks. It's a high-volume, non-stop highway designed to transport over 100,000 eggs per hour, connecting multiple barns to one central hub where advanced machinery takes over the next stage of inspection, cleaning, and grading. As you can see here, all the individual collection belts merge into a dual conveyor. a unified transport line that brings thousands of eggs from across the facility directly to the sorting center. This seamless system ensures a steady, efficient flow, guiding the eggs from multiple barns onto one synchronized path. When the eggs arrive at the sorting facility, they're first directed onto a declustering belt that evenly spaces them out to avoid collisions. Next, the eggs are transported to the automated washing station, where they undergo a thorough yet gentle cleaning process. They're first rinsed with warm water, kept at a slightly higher temperature than the eggs themselves, to prevent pressure differences that could cause cracking. Then, they pass through a series of rotating brushes and food-safe sanitizing sprays, which remove dirt, dust, and potential contaminants from the shell surface. Under intense candling lamps, high-intensity LEDs that shine through each shell, the eggs glide past optical sensors at up to 120,000 eggs per hour. The light makes the interior translucent, so cameras can instantly flag micro cracks, blood spots, or double yolks. Next, the eggs move on to sanitization, where they're lightly sprayed with a food-grade disinfectant mist designed to eliminate any lingering surface bacteria. This misting system ensures 360-degree coverage without soaking the eggs, preserving shell integrity while meeting strict hygiene regulations. The solution often contains chlorine-based or quaternary ammonium compounds approved for use in food processing. The spray nozzles are strategically positioned to treat thousands of eggs per minute as they pass by on the belt. At the collection hub, robotic arms equipped with vacuum suction cups or soft silicone grippers pick up eggs without cracking them. These robots can handle tens of thousands of eggs per hour, scanning for positioning and orientation with built-in vision systems. The eggs then travel via conveyor belts to the sorting room. Following sanitization, the eggs move onto the sorting and stamping line, where each one is weighed by high-speed digital scales and automatically sorted into precise weight categories like small, medium, large, and jumbo. This is done in real time as the eggs continue to move on the belt, with diverter arms gently guiding them into their assigned lanes. Simultaneously, a laser or inkjet printer stamps each egg with a traceability code, usually indicating the farm ID, production date, and sometimes even the hen house. This code ensures every egg can be tracked back to its source, boosting transparency and consumer confidence. Before heading to packaging or de-shelling, which we will show shortly, the eggs receive one final light rinse, ensuring that any residual sanitizing agents or microscopic debris are fully removed. This last wash is brief but essential, guaranteeing the eggs are visually spotless and food safe. Once dried, they glide smoothly onto the automated packaging line, where robotic arms or precision-guided paddles place them gently into cartons or trays. The cartons are then labeled, date-stamped, and stacked into crates, ready for cold storage or immediate shipment. Not all eggs leave the facility with their shells intact. A portion, often those with minor shell flaws or specifically designated for industrial use, are sent to the deshelling unit, where they're cracked open by precision machines. Here, we have half-boiled eggs, cooked just enough to set the whites while keeping the yolks soft, moving down the line before they enter a cold water bath. This rapid cooling process halts further cooking and helps loosen the shell, making it easier to remove without damaging the delicate egg inside. These systems break the shells cleanly and separate the whites and yolks in one swift motion, collecting them in large stainless steel vats. From here, the liquid eggs are filtered, pasteurized, and packaged into bulk containers for shipment to bakeries, food manufacturers, or ready meal companies. This shell-free option offers longer shelf life, easier storage, and instant usability in mass production environments. In some cases, yolks and whites are also separated and sold individually to meet specific recipe requirements. Even the discarded shells are collected and repurposed, often ground into calcium-rich additives for livestock feed or fertilizer. The peeled eggs are then transferred to large stainless steel mixing vats, where they're combined based on their intended use: whole eggs, just yolks, or just whites. Inside these vats, powerful food-grade agitators blend the eggs into a smooth, uniform liquid while maintaining precise temperature control to prevent coagulation. For safety and consistency, the mixture is then filtered to remove any remaining shell fragments or irregularities. This liquid egg product is now ready for pasteurization and packaging, destined for food processing plants that produce everything from mayonnaise and sauces to cakes and protein shakes. And that's how millions of eggs make their way from hens to homes with the help of robots, conveyor belts, and precision tech. Whether packed in cartons, boiled and peeled, or mixed for industrial use, every egg goes through a seamless, high-speed process designed for quality, hygiene, and efficiency. If you found this fascinating, check out our other videos on incredible food technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lord Gizmo for more.